Now what is whooping cough? Whooping cough is the, वो जो कभी टेनिस रैकेट और बैडमिंटन रैकेट, हैव यू जस्ट मूव्ड इट लाइक दिस इन एयर, इट क्रिएट्स दैट whoop whoop sound. That whoop is the sound in the whooping cough. That is pertussis. That is paroxysmal cough. ठीक है, उसमें paroxysm आता है when the patient is highly he is having runny nose, runny eyes, coughing, then you do a bacterial culture is negative. That is the paroxysm. We are talking about barking cough. This is croup. This is caused by para-influenza virus. इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस क्या करता है? सबको पता है इन्फ्लुएंजा करता है. दिस इज स्वाइन फ्लू, बर्ड फ्लू, वट एवर फ्लू.